Hello again. You see, I need a power supply for my keyboard. So this one needs like 9 volts or something. Yeah, I record 9 volts. I found in my stuffs an old travel charger. So this one says that it's able to deliver DC from 4.5 volts to 12 volts. That should be interesting, but the point is that I'm not sure if there is any kind of switch or something to change the voltage, the output voltage. And let's have it on the mains first of all and see how much it's delivering now in this situation. Okay, power in, and what we got here? We should have, and we have, are you kidding me? 9 volts, beautiful. Of course 9 volts without a stress. But to be sure about this, let's open it up and see what we got there. Maybe there is a switch of some sort to be sure that will deliver the right amount. Be careful with this big guy. It can be charged to some high voltage. I don't see any trimmer, anything, but I have to trust the 9 volts output because we already have a kind of consumer here, I may call it, and we have this LED which obviously gives me an indication of functionality. So I have to trust indication. But we can do a trick to see how much it can deliver, because I can use my bars. Oh yeah, there is a slight glow, so I suppose it's okay. Let's have this on milliamps or amps, and let's check. 257 milliamps, which is good, even 300. Great! What about the voltage? Oh, sorry. Okay, it went down to 7.7 volts, but that should be enough for my little keyboard. Now, I have one of these. Where are you? Oh yeah, it is. Doesn't fit there. No, I don't like that. There you go. I recall this Roland keyboards are using external plus, so it's all the way around, minus it's inside the central pin, and the plus it's outside. We are good. Perfect. Okay, now let's see if my project is working, and then we'll make it properly in place. Yeah, it's on and it's stable. You see? It's working. Okay, let's make it nice. For some extra wire, make it kind of longer. So I have some tube, shrinking tube. This one goes here to the minus. It's solid double something, and not only, but also solder it like that. That should be enough. Perfect. Now let's have these guys. Also, maybe I should go like this. Looking good. Pretty solid. Yeah, nice. Perfect. Okay, now let me have some tube in here. Same procedure. Same procedure. Maybe. Oh, of course. Let me be sure that I have the right polarity first. Red to red. And we should have red outside. Yeah. Good. Okay. That should be enough. And this guy, which looks a little bit longer to me. Let me check the polarity again. So we should have plus on outside, and we do. Yes, there we go. Looking good. Long enough cable. Now let's see if it's really working. Yes, I can see it's sending signal. I have that LED over there showing everything is fine. Okay, job done. Now I have a dedicated power supply for my PCR M80. Voila. Yeah, that's a marker, so it's permanent there. That's it for today. I hope it's useful. Don't forget, always Roland, it's using a plus outside at the barrel, a minus inside the middle pin, and this will do the job for years. Thank you for now. Like always, I hope it's useful, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, push the like button. Don't forget about comments. Thanks to my sponsors, and see you soon with some others. Don't forget, have fun. See you. Bye bye.